Hey guys, so thanks for checking out the new revitalized channel, Printer's Paradise. Gonna take y'all on my journey with me of 3D printing and see how this goes. Bring all the mods and updates and stuff I'll be doing in my printers, stuff I'm printing, stuff I think you should do to help you out. But today I'm gonna be bringing you what you can be doing to help during this COVID-19 coronavirus outbreak at home if you have a 3D printer. I myself have been printing a lot of ear savers. I'll be showing you my setup, what files I'm using, what my settings are, and all that good stuff. So maybe you can help out and donate them to a good cause, to the doctor's offices. I've made about 1,500 myself, and still making them. I have an Ender 3 Pro right now, which I'll show you here in a minute, and a CR10. Right now my CR10 is printing stuff for an enclosure for my Ender 3 because I have a bunch of ABS that was donated and I would like to have an enclosure before I start printing it, which I'll be showing y'all in another video of my enclosure, how I'm doing it, what I'm doing, and breaking all that down for you because it's really hard to find a good video on that, I think. But the Ender 3 is a workhorse. Right now I have it so it's printing 9 in an hour and 8 minutes, which is awesome. It feels really good being able to help out everybody in this time of need. And alright guys, so please excuse the mess. This is not how my normal setup is. Actually, the CR10 is new to me, as is the Ender 3 Pro. I had an Ender 3, but I ended up giving that to my brother so he could help out and do what he can. So here's my setup. I'll go through my settings. I use the Slicer Cura, but it's cranking them out pretty well. This is my little baggies that I set up with who's ready to pick up, all that good stuff. I have a box so people can pick it up on my porch. Those are the ones that have not been claimed yet. Like I said, getting 9 on there at a time. My CR10 just finished up this last piece of enclosure that it was working on, so I'm going to go ahead and pull the SD card out of that so I can get another print going. It took 6 hours and 43 minutes, which is just nuts. Quick little overview. I have upgraded the extruders on both the printers. You know what, I'll save that for another video, but this is what I have going on right now, guys. I'm liking the way it works out. They will eventually be in my computer room. Just wait until I go back to work so I can get my work computer out of there and to get the enclosure done for the Ender 3, and then it'll go back. So this is the ear saver that I've been using. I've gotten really good feedback off of this. I'll leave the link below for the link for it. I've been printing just the original one. Now I'll go into Cura and I'll show you my settings. So see, I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 straight up the middle as so. Put 1 on each side. Might be able to squeeze another couple on there. You can play with it a little bit if you'd like. I don't know how familiar you are with Cura, but I just click on it, right click, multiply, select model, select 8 times on the original. Then I move them around how I need to. See up here, this is the ticket right here if you have bigger nozzles. If not, you should order some if you want to get the speed going. I changed mine to a 0.8 nozzle, double the size of a normal one. Huge difference. Like I'll show you after I show you my settings because I dialed them all in. But on here, this is Cura 4.6. It just updated it. Layer height 0.32. I don't mess with the shell. I just let it do its own thing. Infill, I do 20%. Material, 200. Alright, build plate. For me, I do 60. Not that it makes a difference. For you, maybe it will, maybe not. I do 70 millimeters a second. Travel, don't mess with that. Cooling, 100%. No supports. I just leave a skirt. Then slice. 1 hour, 7 minutes. Now I'll show you what it does with a 0.4 nozzle, just so you can see the difference. I'll keep that. So you're looking at double the time. So I mean, it really does make a difference. The quality's not quite the same, but it does make a huge difference if you're just going for numbers, which is what I'm doing because I've had overwhelming requests for ear savers. So anyway, guys, thanks for checking out the video today. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you want to follow us on our journey in the 3D printing world. And up next, I think will probably be some of my upgrade videos to both my printers, and along with the enclosure video for the Ender 3 Pro. So be sure to hit that like and thumbs up, subscribe, come back for more new and improved. We'll be posting more.